Red chicken mixiote, let's go. Heat up 3 guajillos and 1 ancho. In a small bowl, have 1/4 of a piece of cinnamon, 1/4 of a teaspoon of cumin, and 1/4 of a teaspoon of oregano, and 3 black peppercorns. You can crush them all together. In the blender, you'll have 1/4 of an onion, 2 garlic cloves, your spices, your rehydrated chilies, 1/3 cup of liquid from the chilies, and season with salt. Blend everything together to make a homogeneous blend and strain well. Cut your chicken breast in half, season, and marinate for 4 hours or preferably overnight. The next day, place your chicken in the mixiote with some of the marinade and tie close. In a steamer basket, place your mixiotes, cover, and cook for 45 minutes to an hour. When they're done, shred the chicken and make your delicious tacos. I'm going to eat this taco with the delicious onion, pineapple, habanero salsa. And remember, buen provecho.